Chimney flashings are one of the most common leak areas on almost any roof. We get called out all the time to homes with a chimney leak. And it's usually because the flashings are installed improperly. You know, if you're looking to DIY your chimney flashing, if it's leaking, I would strongly suggest against anything that you're gonna say, this is a permanent fix. If you need to replace your chimney flashing, I heavily recommend reaching out to a professional to do the work. If you do it right the first time, treat it as an investment in your home, hire a professional who knows what they're doing so that you don't have to fix the inside of your house multiple times. When you're looking at a chimney flashing, you're marrying, 5 to 7 components around it, and they have to be all done correctly. But the key to preventing any leaking from a chimney is the custom flashing. All chimneys are different sizes and shapes. We work with custom metal fabricators to solder our chimney flashings. And so you can see this is a top. This fits on the top of your chimney. And it's gonna marry into the shingles, step flashings, ice and water shield underlayment. But as you can see here, if it's over a certain size, 30 inches by code, there has to be a cricket right here. And what this does is it diverts the water to the sides of the chimney. And what that does is prevents water that's coming down your roof from sitting behind this flashing, because if the water's sitting there, what it's gonna do is it's gonna rust, and then their flashing is gonna deteriorate at a quicker rate than it should. So this gets the water off. We want it to dry. We want this to be dry within, 24 hours after no rain. The bottom side that fits this way, and it's custom bent to the pitch of the roof, is we have the solders here on this joint right here. It doesn't need a water diverter because the water is not going to go through the chimney, but this marries into the whole of the chimney flashing. These are the two most important pieces: the top with a cricket or water diverter, and the bottom flashing. Thank you for taking the time today to learn more about your roofing system, more particularly your chimney flashings. They're critical, they're important. If you think you could have any problem or just want to know if you might have a problem, be proactive, give Rhoden Roofing a call today, and we're more than happy to come out and take a look.